Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use two Outlook accounts on one computer in 2026. Now Outlook allows you to manage the multiple accounts in the same app and you can switch between them without logging out every time. So let's walk through how you can get it step by step. First of all, you need to open your desktop application on your computer. Now on the top left hand corner of the screen, simply click on the option of File. When the menu opens, simply select the option of Add Account. Now this is going to let you connect the extra email address to the same Outlook profile. You need to simply type the second email address that you want to add and click on the option of Next. Now Outlook is going to ask you the password of your account. So you just have to provide that and complete the setup automatically. So once it is done successfully, the second account is going to be appeared on the left folder pane with its own inbox, sent items, trash and subfolders. You can now switch between the two accounts just by clicking their names in the sidebar. The second method that you can do is you can just simply select your one email or add your one email in your Outlook desktop application, or you can just simply use your another email in your web browser. So as you can see in my web browser, I'm currently using another email and I have this email in my Outlook application. So you can also use the two Outlook accounts in one computer this way. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.